Hi guys, Kinley here. I'm going to show you my chickens today and it'll be so fun. I'm going to be reading to them and I'm also going to post this to you guys, so I hope you enjoy it. I got some chickens, which is real fun, and I have baby chicks and they let me hold it. My big chicken, she is so fun to play with. And then I have a cat and I got some dogs. And I got a friend down the road, so. And I also ride my bike up and down the street, and I ride my bike to the Dollar Tree, which is amazing. And I live on Bob White Street, just in case you wanted to know. Okay, so far, I'm going to show you my chickens. Put on my pants. Have you lived? Come here, babies. Come here. Here they are. There's my big chicken. Here she is. Ginger. Hi, Ginger. That's a black baby. My favorite. So I'm just gonna let them out to show you what they look like, and it'll be super duper fun. Okay, I'm gonna scoot back this a little bit so I can show you Ginger out of her cage. She likes to peck at the grass. There are my chickies. Got one. Here comes another's. And they're all pecking at it. It's really cute. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. See, as you can see, I am a chicken person. And I love my chickadees. Come on, babies. So, that's my dog, Stormy. Shut up! Dog Stormy. And it's real fun how we just get to keep playing with each other. Minnie, come here. Minnie! There you are, Minnie. Come here, Minnie. That's my baby Minnie. She's super cute. That big chicken right there that's pecking at the grass is Ginger. She's also mine. So, soon here enough we'll have babies. Whoop-doo! Okay, so I'm going to read you the book called Old Yeller. And this is what it looks like. And it's super fun to read. I've already started on it, so this would probably be your first. If this is your first time reading it, this will be super fun for you guys. I'll try to back it off for the chickens. See if they'll come any closer. See if you can see them. Hold on, guys. Guys, hold on. The chickens over there. Here, guys, come over. Come over here. Come over here. Come on. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. You see them? They're real big. Real big. They're big for old age. They're my favorite. Oh, yeah. Chickens eat grass. Come on, back up. Back up, babies. Come on. Come here. Back up. No, Ginger. No, Ginger. Ginger, there you go. Sorry. They ran around a lot. So, I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe and leave a comment. Toodles!